And there we were, students, on the very last study day of our class. Today is probably about May 21st. It's our study day for the Chapter 23 test. And then we're going to have sort of an oddball day here. And then we're going to be starting our research paper. But for today, let's take a look at our study guide. As always, I suggest you take a look over the study guide, and if you can answer all these questions fairly easily, you're in a good position to ace the test. We have our forum here. Indeed, it is our last test. Yep, we're moving on to our paper, and then we're going to coast our last week. We have some closeout stuff, some easy points. Nothing that requires too much thinking, and they're more on the fun side. Now for this test, no surprises. It'll be mostly matching and multiple choice, and this one has an essay on the back end. As always, I advise you to study by rereading the chapter, taking a look at that study guide, and then you'll be good. I mean, it's how many tests was it? 24 of these things, so I'm fairly sure we have a good idea what's going on now, what to expect. That's really it. I'll catch you on the flip side when we start talking about that, well, maybe Strange History web quest there, and then plenty of videos for the paper. So, it's not the end, but it is a milestone. Alright, take care. Let me know if you need anything.